Good morning, sir. My name is Atwina Shard. I'm going to start by creating a database. To create database, you can call it organization. Enter. So I say use organization database sheet. So I want to create tables in that organization. Create table employee. Create table employee. Now her table should have some columns in it. So in those columns I put employee ID, this should be an int, and a primary key should be null, and I want it to auto increment. Increment and comma. An employee should have a first name, which is a vocal, and it should be maybe 45, comma. Then it should have a last name, which is also a vocal, and maybe we go to put gender. Gender is a curve. So close all the brackets. Let's enter. So that is the table that we have created. Then we say disk because we want to see the columns that we have created in the employee table. Disk employee. So this is the number of the columns that we have put. So we use the alter command if we want to make maybe some changes in it. Alter command, the alter table, employee, then add. We want to add some column in it, so we add maybe position. The position will be vocal, maybe, and it will have some arms like that. So now we want to maybe make some changes here. We are adding a column, so we make some changes in the table. We use alter table employee and change. So we change maybe the first name. First, it's capital. It starts with a capital letter first. First name. Maybe we leave space, so we put what we wanted to change to. Change it maybe to surname. Terminate. We are saying we have an error in the version, so maybe we have to, we should put the syntax here in front of what we should call it varchar. Since we have changed it, varchar, and specify its intermediate and enter, so it is there. Now we set describe employee. So here the first name was changed to surname, and the column position was added to the table. So we want to put some values in the table. We use insert into employee, we insert into employee, so the first column is employee ID, comma, then surname, comma, then last name, comma, then gender, comma, then position, close the bracket, then we say values, because now we're going to input values in those both values. So we say maybe employee ID, someone's ID, maybe it is like say 1, comma, and the name, the surname, we use Atwine, comma, we use maybe like name, comma, gender, she's a female, comma, in the position, maybe we say she's a director, and bracket. Now if we want to put some other person, open another bracket, we say maybe 2, comma, maybe we say it's called Embe, that one is there. Now if we want to see that the number of columns that we have put, we will use the select command to say select all, from employees. This is the name of the table. set all from employee, then terminate. So here they are showing us the number of the values that we have put. Now we want maybe to update like something from the table. We shall use update employee, then we use set. Maybe we set someone's surname, like maybe the first name, we say set surname, to, if we want to change surname, which we change someone's surname which will equal to maybe Tina. That is the one that we want to replace. Then we use the where, that word, to specify where. It's like we are putting a condition where we want that name to be put. We say where employee ID maybe is equal to, let's say 1. It's equal to 1. So we terminate, enter. Non-column employee ID, that is because we have written the long spelling of the word employee. So we go back and change, maybe put an word, not even character it's supposed to be. So press enter, now it is showing. So we say maybe select from, so that we can see the change that we have made. Select all from. So now you see they have changed the name, the first name from Atwine to Tina, because we have updated it, we have used the update command. So we want to try out the delete command. Delete from employee, maybe where employee ID is equal to, maybe is equal to 2. Then we terminate, and we have an error in the note where I think I have made a mistake. I'll go back. From that is the syntax for deleting while using a condition. So we select, if we want to use some other word of select all from employee, then order by either by maybe by last name, maybe by by the surname. Then that is the syntax for selecting order by. They are showing you an error, but maybe there is some mistake. The word order by, maybe it is supposed to be supposed to be space and by. So you see they have made them go according to the alphabet code of the surnames. So here we want to use the drop command. We see if we shall drop that table. Drop table employee count. So now if here we have dropped the table, if we want to try again and go back and see if the table exists, maybe we say disk see the table organization employee does not exist because we have used the drop command to drop the whole table, so there is no table that is called employee in the database that we have created. That is all I had to present. Thank you, sir, for listening.